In this video, you will learn how to use the spoiler feature in Telegram. Spoilers are useful when you want to share information without revealing too much at once. They help keep surprises or important details hidden until the reader is ready to see them. This can be great for discussing movies, books, or games without ruining the experience for others. To get started, open up the Telegram app. Once inside the app, select an individual chat or group chat where you want to send your spoiler message. Now that you're in the chat, type out your message as usual. Here comes the fun part. To mark specific text as a spoiler, highlight the portion of your message that contains sensitive information. You can even choose to highlight the entire message if necessary. After highlighting your text, look for options that appear above your highlighted section. From these options, simply select Spoiler. This will transform your highlighted text into hidden content. And just like that, the selected part of your message is now concealed. All that's left is to hit send, and voila! So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.